Now.
Honorable Chair, I have no issues with the Honorable Zaake accessing this statement. The statements by the Honorable Zaake implied that I am engaged in commission of criminal offense of prostitution against the provisions of Section 139 of the Penal Code Act, whose punishment is imprisonment for a period of 7 years. This is unacceptable. This is unacceptable and derogatory to any woman in this era to be referred to as a sex worker. My prayers, Honorable Chair and Honorable members, is that the Honorable Zaake is subjected to a thorough mental evaluation to any of the national mental facilities to ascertain the mental state of the member given his conduct in and out of Parliament. That the Honorable Zaake is suspended from the House and all its precincts for the rest of the session of this 11th Parliament. The third is that the Honorable Zaake be ordered to render an equivocal apology to me before the whole House, retracting the defamatory statements as contained in the video clip. And lastly, Honorable Chair and Honorable members, Parliament must consider putting in place stringent measures and sanctions relating to a conduct of a member in another person's constituency. Thank you so much, Honorable Chair and Honorable members, for this opportunity.
Well, thank you. Your prayer, our conclusion into the matter. Well, you're free and you have been free to state your prayers. But the prayers shall not twist these committee members to recommend Parliament on what you have laid on before us. In any case, we want to give opportunity to the Honorable Zaake. They have traveled, they have been coming from Zaake for several times, and it has been very expensive for you to foot the bills for their transport fares. And we shall, if possible, we shall allow the witnesses to be cross-examined before, so that they can travel back.
Cross-examination. We don't have an opinion as of now, and then thereafter, we can see how we can proceed. Having had Kyinyamatama, the Honorable Zaake, Honorable Kyinyamatama is there for cross-examination, in case you have any question.
Ms. Juliet K. Subi Kyinyamatama.
For the record purposes, my name is Juliet K. Subi Kyinyamatama, Woman Member of Parliament, Zaake District.
Yes. So that's the name you carry even on your national ID?
Yes.
Can you confirm the second time it's the name on your national ID?
Yes.
Can I have a look at it?
I will only give a copy because I don't think I carried my ID, but I will give a copy. I will submit it officially to the clerk, not you.
Do you have the copy right now with you?
I have a copy on my phone.
Please, can you share with the clerk?
Excuse me here.
I can see Kyinyamatama Juliet. Are you the one?
Is that the card?
They do not take
They
do not put abbreviations on IDs and passports and what have you.
It's okay. Let's just share the card with the council. That's not a problem.
Juliet. Can you confirm K is not there?
I think for any land person, you should know that
Can you confirm it's not there?
abbreviations are not allowed on bank details, not allowed on a bank card, not allowed on a national ID, not allowed on a passport.
Just confirm.
So you are confirming that it is not there?
As it is.
Yeah, I only wanted to give a reason also as to why it's not
It is
there.
okay.
We know. This committee knows some of those details.
Can you also confirm that the name Kyinyamatama is not on the voters register?
Where is the voters register?
Is it there or not?
Where is the voters register?
Chair, am I under cross-examination?
Examine me out of my case. You write to Electoral Commission to confirm.
Okay, let's do this. First of all, I would like to request it is not necessary to have exchanges. We are trying to, as a committee, to come to the bottom of this case, okay? Just calm down. If you are confirming, you confirm. If you can't confirm, you say I can't confirm, and then we proceed. Then the rest you leave it to the committee.
I want to confirm that my national register is with the Electoral Commission, and whoever wants to know, maybe this committee should consult. I am not in position. I'm not the one supposed to be confirming that.
Thank you.
If I may ask, are you a registered voter in Rakai?
I think that question should be good for Electoral Commission that nominated me and Parliament, where I work as a member of Parliament.
So for your case, you know or you don't know whether you're a registered voter in Rakai district?
That is a redundant question for me. I'm a woman member of Parliament for Rakai district.
No. Can I say it again? Please calm down.
Honorable Chair and honorable members, I am a woman member of Parliament for Rakai district, and there is no way I can be a woman member of Rakai when I'm not a registered voter in Rakai. Thank you.
Can you tell this honorable committee the full name, the full particulars of your name on the voters register, if you know?
Honorable Chair, I think we also need to respect each other. He asked me my name, I mentioned it. Asked me for my national ID, mentioned it. It was read. My statement is clear. If you're critiquing what is on my statement, make it clear. I gave you everything. I have said it 100 times. And I am Juliet Subi Kyinyamatama, Juliet K. Juliet K. Subi Kyinyamatama. The order doesn't matter. I know the law.
Can you confirm you did not attend the gathering you are talking about, the impanded gathering of 9th at Rwamagwa?
Honorable Chair, like I said, and it is so clear in my statement, that I was told, meaning that I was not there.
Honorable Subi, just confirm that
No, she
you...
has said it. She has said it,
please.
Chair.
Okay.
Let's proceed.
And who in particular told you what happened there?
Thank you for that question. Thank you, honorable members. This takes us to why our witnesses are here. Like I stated in my statement, that I got WhatsApp messages, and the one Kauma, who was before us, who is outside, is the one who called me and also sent me the video clip. And he's here to testify to what I stated in my statement. Thank you.
Wonderful. Made the recording of that video clip. Can you confirm?
I said it is so clear that he sent me.
Is he the one who recorded it?
He will explain where he got it from.
The video was sent to her by a Kauma. Is it Kauma? And Kauma is here to testify. Yes. So that can't be a question to her. It can only be a question to the one who is coming, because the one who sent it.
Can I put it differently?
She can't know whether it is Kauma recorded or not. May we proceed, please?
Dear.
Thank you, Chair and honorable members. Like I stated, how I got to know everything. So some of the questions are not meant for me. If you see my statement, if I knew the person who had recorded the video, I should have put it here. I put the person who sent me the video.
Honorable Juliet, to calm down and don't be combatant. Where you need to say yes or no, to simply say yes. Don't say like I said. Just say yes or no. Don't be combatant. The committee will be able to analyze the information and come out with the most fair opinion according to the committee. So I request you humbly to calm down, not to be in a combatant mode, to say yes or no where I need to say yes or no. To say humble appeal to you.
Well, we have been so close to her. Maybe that's the way she speaks and the way she presents her case or herself. Allow her to talk the way she wants. Because she's not attacking anyone. She's not throwing tables. She's not pushing, the flags before us. She's calm. To me, she's calm because she's sitting directly opposite me. Please, proceed. Let's proceed.
Not say yes, no, yes, no. I think I have to say what to answer you in detail. I would just not say yes or no.
Let's do this. And just know that this is a formal process. If a question requires yes or no, just say yes. But can I explain? Then we shall give you a chance to explain. We will not allow you to be put in a straitjacket. And if you want to explain, just say, can I explain? And the committee will be very, very happy to allow you to explain your yes or no, okay?
Most obliged, Honorable Chair.
Is Kyinyamatama your name?
No, Honorable Chair. Can I explain my no?
Wonderful.
Yes, please explain your no.
Thank you so much, Honorable Chair. Questions are made to throw you.
Just
explain
your no. Don't
I am not Kyinyamatama. I want to explain that I am the only woman member of parliament in Rakai district. There is no any other woman member of parliament whose name is closed Kyinyamatama. So when someone says in a video clip and mispronounces your name but meaning you by saying don't bring back those MPs, I am the only woman member of parliament in Rakai district.
Okay.
Well,
let's see
I actually thought that I am not Nalmansi. Can I explain?
No, we'll allow you our time when we are asking questions. We'll ask the question to explain that. Just answer his question as there.
I am not Nalmansi and I will never be.
Okay.
In your statement here, you were talking of allegations of prostitution. Are you a prostitute?
Honorable Chair, I only talked about the allegations because that was the allegation in the video clip. That's how I talk about it. I am not a prostitute and I will never be.
That video. And probably listen to it. Did the voice in that video said it to be that of the Honorable Zaake in any way talk about prostitution?
Honorable members, for clarification, I pray that you I pray that you replay, because that question maybe he didn't hear the video. I pray that you replay the
We
video.
will replay, but
and
answer
so
the
that
question.
answer will be answered.
Just answer the question, the video will replay. Because we've played it, we have it, and by the time we reach a conclusion, we'll have it replayed for ourselves. Okay? Just answer the question.
Chair, I request that he repeats his question.
Repeat your question.
The voice attributed, said to be one of Honorable Zaake in your statement, as captured in that video clip, in any way talk about prostitution?
The voice and the image of the person talking, who is Honorable Zaake in that video, talks about prostitution. Kyinyamatama, whatever he called it, an MP from Rakai district, who seems to be selling her body or herself in parliament. In my interpretation, and maybe the interpreter will help us, selling your body means prostitution.
So did he say you are selling your body? Are you sure?
He said, I look like, I think they should play it back because I didn't cram.
Did he say so that you are selling
You're not
your
going
body?
to force me to say what I don't remember. Let it be played so that I
If you
hear
don't
what
remember,
exactly
you
he
say
said.
so. If you don't remember, you say so. You say you don't remember what exactly he said.
I cannot say I don't remember when I have an opportunity to ask this committee to play it so that we know what exactly he said.
It's you who is complaining, and you should be knowing what you are complaining about. And what you are saying is denigrated you.
I will repeat what he said. Alinge yetunda mu parliament.
Oh, wonderful.
So you interpret it in the
Alinge
best language.
yetunda mu parliament. Two questions. First, did you understand that to be a statement of fact or a statement of opinion?
I think it is both. It is both.
It's both a statement of fact and opinion.
Yeah, to him, according to him, who was talking about me, maybe he has facts. And maybe it is, I don't know, it is up to him to tell us.
So in your understanding, if one says, Alinga eyetunda mu parliament, you understand it to be a statement of fact?
Mr. Chair, can we have that interpreted in English so that we can also follow? Because this committee doesn't comprise of the Luganda-speaking people only.
Chair, I can refer you to page 10.
Selling myself that alinge yetunda means that.
It is not you to interpret
Just
it.
speak as it is, and then we get the formal interpretation of what you've said.
You're right. I repeat what I said so that
Yes, for purposes of our record.
alinge yetunda mu parliament.
Okay.
She seems like one who sells her body in parliament.
Okay. She seems like one
Who sells her body in parliament.
Or resembles those who sell their body.
No, you, Chair, please. Don't. We leave it at that. Those ones will be our interpretation.
Question, Chair. Then, in relation to that, it's on the Hansard of 12th October, page 10,557. And this is what, after the transcription, the translation made on the official record. She's always there as if she is selling her body in parliament. This is the statement I would like us to go through with you on the Honorable Kyinyamatama. She is selling her body in parliament. Did you understand that to be a statement of fact or opinion?
She has answered that.
No, she hasn't.
No, she said she did.
The other one was in Uganda, which you...
No, she said it was both. I mean, I hope you are recording. It's better you record such that we follow each other, because we already have it.
Can I ask Chair to help me record?
You want us to record for you? Because if you ask the same question and an answer has been given and you ask it again, it doesn't make sense.
But if the chair cannot become your personal OPA.
Serious business.
Chair?
We don't take it lightly for anybody to say, can the chair will help me record? Please.
Ask the client to pick it up from there. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
We are equally sorry, because
with your permission,
it is not the chair to record a statement for you to write on your behalf.
It's okay. You see, this committee does not conscript lawyers for you, Ms. Honorable Zaake. It is your choice, the lawyer of your choice. If you have a client to represent you, good enough. If you don't, good enough.
Procedure, Chair.
Yes, please.
Chair, I would beg for your indulgence procedure to give me time to get another lawyer.
We will, but we like you, as you get another lawyer, we like you to set the rules straight.
nga bw'obimanyi kwata bayibuli layira onyonyole by'omanyi si kuleeta kiwandiiko ekyo ndio tukigumiikiriza naye tututuuse omubuuza ebibuuzo ku bintu byennyini bye yeewandiikidde. Contradiction ziri manya, contradiction ziri mu bye baakyusa mu bigambo naye yennyini tasobola kubinnyonnyola kino ne kiri ate tebanzikiriza. Ng'olaba komite eri oppressive bwe bw'oba oyagala wandiika kola kino ng'ate mpandiika nyina assistant wali ampandiikira buli kimu kirina. Mu procedure entuufu omuntu bamuleka looya n'abuuza ebibuuzo mu mbeera gy'ateekeddwa okubibuuzaamu. Freely cross examination ebeera free, bakimanyi bulungi. Cross examination ebeera free. Nze mba nyina ensonga lwaki mba mbuuza ebibuuzo ebyo byonna. So komite ebadde hostile nnyo mu mbeera gye tuli ate neemuleka abeera arrogant. Bintu biri bibiri, erinnya eryogerebwako mu katambi neoli amannya gazzaalina ganjawulo, alina amannya mangi gazzakyusa. Ku National Voters Register alina erinnya ddala, ku National ID alina erinnya ddala, eryogerebwako mu katambi ddala, n'ebirala bingi nga byetaaga okuvaayo obujulizi nti abantu mu kitundu ne byayogerako bifaanana bitya n'ebirala we bityo. Kakati akakiiko ne katatuwa mwaganya kuba nti gamba nako kennyini okulaba nkalimu kyekubira. Nze ng'omulimu ogwo sikyasobola kugenda maaso nago mu mbeera nga bweri ensalawo. About your question?
It was about you're trying to drive a narrative that this case is hinged on presuppositions.
You see, you should understand it. And my brother, the Honorable Katuntu, knows it very well. If you are complaining about defamation, it must be a statement of fact. It can't be a statement of opinion, a conjecture, a summary of sorts. You get it? It's not an opinionated statement that constitutes a defamatory statement. No. So, and those questions were really valid. Was this? Because in the statement, in the answer, they are saying that he said, alinga eyetunda. Two things here. Alinga eyetunda. It's a statement of opinion. And the questions were valid. Zemba dembuza zibadde valid. Two, question eyogera nti mu katambi ako kennyini ayogerako ku bode oli agamba ne translation egamba nti atunda omubiri prostitute oba yetunda mu byobufuzi. You get it? Ebyo byonna biri important. Waliwo okwetunda mu byobufuzi, waliwo okwetunda mu omubiri kakati nga tulina okumanya ye yategeera ki kwetunda mu byabufuzi kwetunda ku bya omubiri nga mukatyandu temuli kimu kya bode kakati ebyo byonna nga biri important biri valid okubuuza ebyo byonna nga biri worth investigating. We have to interrogate all those issues. So it was important. We needed to get to understand, was it a statement of fact? Was it a statement of opinion in the first place? As if she is in parliament selling herself. The other thing was about the particulars of that statement. They have read in too much into that statement, importing in words which are not within the video clip, like selling one's body. In the statement, there was no such a thing like an allegation of one selling her body. It's not there. It is just about one selling herself. You need to put it into context. And that's exactly what we are doing. Was it being a political sellout or being a prostitute? And those are pertinent issues. Are we talking about a political sellout or we are talking about a prostitute selling her body? And this was very, very critical. We needed to understand that. And of course, even the name, it's important. There is Narumansi Kyinyamatama in this video clip. And in her statement, she says a totally different thing. And she gives it different names. In the voters register, it's a different name. Subi Kyinyamatama something. Then in the national ID, it's a totally different name. So we needed to interrogate all those issues. But the committee was so protective of this particular complainant witness to the extent that they allowed her to violate the rules to bring a written text and present it just like that, reading a written text. How can you read a written text, a pre-prepared text before a tribunal, which is probing a matter of this very nature, of this magnitude? So it was out of order for the chair to allow her proceed that way. And when they started confronting me, I couldn't take it. And I said, now this is going too far. The best I can do is to excuse myself and get out of this. Okay. It's a different matter. We are going to discuss it with the client. Okay.
Zino ensonga nga bumbadde mumanyi nti kyewuunyisa okuba nga tukyamala obudde bungi nnyo ku nsonga bweziti ezitalina makulu mu paalamenti eno erina okubeera ey'ekitiibwa ennyo kubanga tuteekamu ensonga ezitalina makulu ng'ate ebintu ebirina amakulu bingi nnyo 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 ebisaanidde okuba nga biweebwa obudde bungi nnyo komiti okulaba ng'eyo ng'ekola ku nsonga ennungamu nnyingi nnyo. Naye nga bw'olabye mubaka munnange bwazze mu komiti enneeyisa gye yeeyisizaamu naye alagira ddala nti paalamenti tagiwadde kitiibwa n'empisa gye yeeyisizaamu nga abuukirabuukira n'embeera yennyini gye yeeyisa mu paalamenti luli eri ng'agezaako okwagala okunkuba n'okuorganizinga ababaka abalala awo bambuukire ne paalamenti ne bagiyiwa ku nsonga etalina makulu wadde n'akatono. So ebyo byayogedde byonna byonna biragira ddala nti ate ye yalina okuba nga akeberebwa kubanga engeri eyisa gye yeeyisaamu kitegeeza alina okuba nga akeberebwa omutwe mulamu ategeera bulungi nnyo Oluganda alumanyi ekisookera ddala Muganda ayogera Oluganda alumanyi lwakayi baganda bannakooki Muganda ategeera Oluganda kubanga tulabye nga n'ebigambo byayogera byennyini tabitegeera n'ebyawandiise byennyini kuba bamuwandiikidde biwandiike sisuubira nti naabitegeera kuba singa tumukkiriza okubyogera osanga nti ate yandyogedde bintu birala nnyo naye nga nze ndowooza twandibadde tuwa ensonga ezisinga okubeera n'amakulu kubanga essaawa eyo yayiira paalamenti waliwo ensonga z'okuwamba abantu baffe ezaali zoogerwako batujja ku mulamwa bali mu kutujja ku mulamwa batuzza ku bintu ebitalina makulu era kyova olaba olwaleero nti neeyisa gye yeeyisizaamu efoosinze oba ekase omuloodi omusajja kyasinza okubeera omukkakkamu mu ggwanga lino okubanga ayimukawa agende olw'enneeyisa y'omubaka oyo ne komiti yennyini enneeyisa gye yeeyisaamu nga nayo yennyini tewa kitiibwa nga rights zaffe nga abaze mu komiti eyo nti kuba omuntu waba akubuza ebibuzo oba olina okuddamu ye oba nedda naye ng'omuntu omulaba nga ali very stubborn tayagala ku respectinga kikigenda mu maaso mu komiti respectinga kansa mubuuza tugezezzaako nnyo okubeera abagumiikiriza era nebimaliriza nga biri bwe bityo so mu paalamenti eno ndowooza abantu ngaabo era nga bwe mugamba nti bwe mugambo lwaleero abantu ngaabo tuba tulina okuleeta abantu wano ababeera ku nsonga z'abantu kuba nze muyambyeko ne mumanyisa eggwanga ensi bali temumanyi kuba nze mu komiti musanze wano kati muwadde time okubanga ne kamera zimutunulamu abantu bamutegeere abantu bamumanye kati akozesa omukisa ogwo highlighting ensonga ze Rakai ayogere ku nsonga ze Rakai ebizibu bye Rakai binnya ebizibu ebirimu bannayuganda ne bannarakai bingi nnyo afuna omukisa guno agukozese aleme kubanga atadivertinga parliament edde ku bintu bitalina makulu kubaffe twagala kulabanga tulwanira bannayuganda okubeera mu mbeera ennungi gwe mulamu omukulu gwe tuliko era tetwagala kuguvaako naye ye kennyini yewe ekitiibwa era yatasaanidde kubeera mu parliament eno nga bw'asabye nti nze sina kubaamu yatasaanidde kubanga enkola gy'akolamu si bannayuganda gye baagala era agende yeebuuze ku public kikyegamba public eraba nga yatasaanidde kubeerawo ate nze wano singa bagasinga waliwo bazaake 10 wano singa Uganda yakyuka dda singa waliwo bazaake nga 10 wano mweno parliament singa Uganda yakyuka dda singa ne parliament yaffe singa erina ekitiibwa ekyo kyegwanidde okubeera nakyo mu ggwanga lino